you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to optimize your game experience. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the loading screen issue. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Apex Legends installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen problem in Apex Legends. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.